we are celebrating what we consider as not only our comfort food, not only something that we are so proud of, but something that we would all probably call home. Diba la? And it's something that we are so proud to celebrate this year, the years before, and the years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Sino nakakaon ng Chicken Inasal sa buong hapon? Wala pa? Wala pa? Makaon ta karon. My name is Mike Baliados, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. Before we begin this competition, by the way, sa mga wala nakabalo, this is the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition. Alright, earlier, if you guys were in the place, we had also our street dance competition. We have the winners already, which we will announce later on, along with our set of winners for this competition. Before we begin, I would just like to acknowledge our beloved Mayor Greg Casataya. Mayor, ngayong hapon, okay. Siyempre, our city officials here in Bacolod City, I can see si Councilor Al Espino, Councilor ngayong hapon, Councilor Tati, Celia Flor. Sorry hindi ko makita. Pero ang mata, si Councilor Jason. Sino pa? Councilor Ebang. Uy, si Kapinday Franzo. Wow! Damo ni fans. Alright, and sa mga hindi ko makita, pasensya lang. Sige lang tayo masiplatan, takamulawagon ta lang. And of course, syempre, ang ating media team, also, and our friends from Mega World, palakpakan nato ng Mega World for always being so generous, na dirigi tayo perme. This has become, the Mega World Upper East has become a steady home for the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. And syempre, if you guys have noticed, hindi mayo aso, hindi mayo smoky, doon ka namin, lang ito ka-pleasant lang sa experience. Yes, that is true. That is all because of our charcoal partner for this year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival, Ipo Uling. I hope I'm saying it right. Ipo Uling, right? Long-lasting. Masking ostrich pa yung inasal mo, pwede. Sakto, correct? Yun! Thank you so much, Ipo Uling, once again, for making this year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival less smoky. Diba? Pero we love that smoky feel when we're eating our chicken inasal, syempre. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know that you guys are excited. We have 7 barangays who will be performing right here this afternoon, evening na lang, para bukit urot, diba? 7 barangays with their respective themes from different Southeast Asian nations. Now, that's something that I'm really curious. O si Atty. Martigo, lawagon naman. Atty. Mayang hapon, diba? Basta masiplatan, lawagon. Diba? Hindi tama miss. Alright, and syempre, with the celebration, dapat makabati kita sang mensahe sa amay sang aton na syudad. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, to give us our proper opening for this afternoon/evening, let's give a big round of applause, kay Mayor Greg Casataya.
Mayong hapon sa tanan, and we welcome all of you sa atong sini kaduang adlaw sa Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Together with Councilor Celia Flor, Councilor Alice Pino, Councilor Tati Saison, Councilor Emang, and Councilor Jason Villarosa, and the rest of our city officials, kapasalamat kita sa Mega World for being our partners sa atong sining pagpatigayon sa arena competition subong hapon. To everyone, welcome. Madamo nga salamat. As we always say, in Bacolod, we are stronger together. Salamat, mayong hapon sa tanan.
Mayor Greg, may we invite you to please stay? And we also would like to invite maybe your peers from the City Council. We're going to have our ceremonial grilling to properly open our competition for this evening, ng mga councilors, ng mga city officials natin. Maybe you guys can join us in front for a ceremonial grilling of, syempre, our beloved Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Alright. Bacolod Chicken Inasal. Ano ba rin ang number sa Taste Atlas? Number 2, was it? If I remember correctly. Number 3. That's right. Thank you. Eko Uling! Oh, diba? If you guys can see right there, number 3 in the entire world, Taste Atlas. How proud did we get? And also our friends, by the way, from Mega World, basi maka-join kita sa ating ceremonial grill. Friends from Mega World. And basi, ang friends na lang from Eko Uling, oh. Yes, you know, you guys are all collaborators. You made all of this possible. So I think it's just proper that you all can join us. Our friends from Mega World as well. Thank you so much. Eko Uling. No, that is piping hot right there. Pero wala gaaso. That's how good it is. Once again, no, mayang hapon sa aton nga tanan. This is the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition. Thank you. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen, our city officials, along with our friends from Mega World, from Eko Uling. Ayaw ko pa to sa duwagan ito. Dua lang ako. Diyan, dua sa live pa niyo with 3 rice, okay? Alright. Alright, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, this celebration that we're having, no, is something really to be proud of. Number 3, ang Bacolod Chicken Inasal in the entire world, based on Taste Atlas. That is like the Bible of food in the entire world. No, so it's really something to be proud of. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival 2026. And at this point, before we begin, we would like to hear a short message, no, from Damo fans, no? Mga gwapa, nga kapitan sa Bagsiligan. Inday France, si Kap Inday France. Abi, taga-anta microphone si Kap Inday France. Let's hear a quick message from her. Oh, ikaw, Chops? Doon nila, Chops?
Mayong hapon sa inyong atanan. Ako gali si Kap Inday France of Barangay Mansilingan, and happy Chicken Inasal Festival sa inyo.
Thank you, Kap. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready. Our performers are ready. But before we get to our performances proper, I'd like to take this opportunity to acknowledge and introduce to you guys our board of judges in this competition. Starting off with our technical judge. He's a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in MAPE at SCI West Negros University, a Master of Arts in Education, major in Physical Education at SCI West Negros University, Physical Education Instructor, SCI West Negros University, Center for the Performing Arts and Culture Program Coordinator of SCI WNU Regional and National PSAA, Cultural Director, a member of the Philippine Folk Dance Association in 2023, and an advocate of street dance style and dance academics. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Mr. John Valencia. Our next judge is a cultural worker, choreographer, director, and advocate for Philippine arts and heritage, currently serving as sports and cultural affairs coordinator of Southland College and director of the award-winning Kusila Dance Theater Company. A former member of Kaanyag Pilipinas Dance Company, he has led Kusilak to multiple championships, including 5 consecutive titles in the Udyakan Festival and victories in folk dance, hip-hop, and pop dance competitions across Negros Island region. He served as a dance presenter of the Research Folk Dance Pasan Saging during the 41st National Folk Dance Workshop and continues his research on Kabangkalan City folk traditions. Under his leadership, Busilak represented Kabangkalan City in Panaan sa Negros Festival and performed internationally. During the Barrio Fiesta in Darwin 2012 and 2016, he is a lifetime member and board member of Philippine Folk Dance Society and a national awardee connected with the National Commission for Culture and the Arts Committee on Dance, presently a member of National Commission for Culture and the Arts Committee on Dance Visayas Cluster. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. John Mark M. Alpay. Our third judge is the Executive Director of the Negros Museum and Head of the Artist Hub Culture and Arts Program of the University of St. LaSalle. He is the Artistic Director and Founder of the Performance Laboratory Incorporated. In 2024, she received the Golden Leaf Presidential Award in recognition for her work as arts manager and contribution to cultural preservation. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Tanya Lopez. And our last, but definitely not the least, in our board of judges, ladies and gentlemen, is the Artistic Director of Cagayan Dance Troupe, Colegio San Agustin, 2019 Outstanding Negrosanon Award in Arts and Culture by the Province of Negros Occidental, Chairperson of the Panaan sa Negros Best of Festival Dances and Cultural Competitions, represented the Philippines in Dance and Theater Festival and Cultural Anthropology Studies in Thailand, South Korea, Indonesia, Sweden, and Estonia, Mr. Rudy Reveche. And now, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready for the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition? Let me hear you. Are you ready? Why don't you go? Are you guys ready? Let's get right to it. Our first performance for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, representing Malaysia, here is Barangay 12.
Beloved at first Inasal, a Bacolod flavor that crossed hearts and borders. Born and raised in the vibrant city of smiles, Inday grew up surrounded by the irresistible aroma of her family's beloved chicken inasal business. From childhood, she learned that food is more than flavor. It is a symbol of love, family, culture, and connection. Every serving of Bacolod's iconic chicken inasal carried warmth that brought people together. Driven by the curiosity and dreams beyond her homeland, Inday embarked on a journey abroad to the beautiful country of Malaysia. There, she became captivated by the rich traditions and colorful heritage of the Malaysian people. She witnessed performers adorned in elegant green and gold traditional garments, gracefully moving with delicate and tiptoed steps. In Malaysian culture, green symbolizes harmony, peace, nature, and prosperity, while gold represents royalty, grandeur, wealth, and cultural pride, reflecting the nation's vibrant identity and deep-rooted traditions. As Inday explored the country, she encountered the beauty of Malaysia's traditional dances. She marveled at the Jigad, a lively cultural dance known for its fast-paced movements and cheerful interaction between dancers, often accompanied by colorful handkerchiefs as props. She admired the elegance of the Zapin, a dance influenced by Arab culture, and that highlights synchronized footwear and refined hand gestures, commonly performed with scarves and traditional musical accompaniment. She was also enchanted by the Makyong, one of the Malaysia's oldest theatrical dance traditions that combines dance, drama, and storytelling, featuring fans, crowns, and decorative accessories that symbolize royalty and folklore. One unforgettable day, while wandering through the lively streets of Malaysia, carrying Bacolod's famous chicken inasal, Inday accidentally bumped into a young Malaysian man. Their unexpected encounter became the beginning of a beautiful love story. Curious about the smoky aroma and the distinct flavor, the young man tasted the chicken inasal for the very first time and instantly fell in love with it. Through every bite, he discovered not only the taste of Bacolod, but also the heart and soul of Inday herself. As time passed, love blossomed between them. When it's finally time for Inday to return home, she brought the Malaysian man with her to Bacolod to meet her family and experience culture that shaped her life. Together, they celebrated their homecoming at the famous Manokan country, embracing the spirit of the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival's hashtag, Take Me to Manokan Country, filled with music, dance, flavor, and cultural fusion. This performance tells a heartfelt story of love born from a single taste of chicken inasal, a Bacolod's flavor that crossed hearts and borders. Here is the JVC Dance Company from Barangay Doce, representing Malaysia!
Minsan kamaga, picture namin kung barato
Na, kanamit, igisang nasal sa Bacolod niyo.
Dali ba? Ari isang una, ano na video ang paborito kung hindi na nag-show ba rin sa una? Tungod sa akong inasal, nanuyagan, di ba kayo papa mo?
Ay, tawag ka, Nay. Sige, Nay, Kay magpa-abroad na ko, patilawon ko man sila sa Bacolod sa famous chicken inasal. Kag, pasalubungan ka ka, Nay, sa pinakagwapo nga bana.
Sige anak halong gid ito ha?
Penerbangan Malaysia pesawat MH370
You have just arrived in your destination. Welcome to Malaysia. diri sa City of Smiles, Bacolod City.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause para sa Barangay 12 representing Malaysia, truly Asia. Alright, how do they say thank you in Malay? Terima kasih. Terima kasih, Barangay 12. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how festive is that? Right? And I want to find out who is the one responsible for the choreography. Di na natin yung choreographer for Barangay 12. Basic pwede natin ma-interview Drew Tay. Okay, pare si Sir. Sir, may hapon, what's your name?
So, may nga po sa tanan, my name is Vincent.
Vincent, how did you come up? How did you conceptualize? No, kasi syempre, we're Filipinos. Not everyone is familiar with the culture and the dance, no, and the whole thing about Malaysia. Paano mo na-insinuate, paano mo na-assimilate, kumbaga, ang culture sa Malaysia sa inyong performance this evening?
Okay, so since we're Bacoloders, we're not very familiar of Malaysian culture. So, ang magiging kapak kami sa idea na why not i-show naman ang culture sa Malaysia to Bacolod, but with matching twist, also put with love story as well. So there was a girl whose family business is in Malaccan country, and also traveled to go abroad and found a man, brought here back in the Philippines, and inherit the family business.
Alright, thank you so much. Thank you as well sa narrator, no? Din natong narrator. Palakpakan natin ang narrator sa Barangay 12, bukod pa ako. Sir, thank you so much and good luck. Alright, that's just one, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, at this point, let's get our next performers here in front. Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome to represent probably my favorite place in Southeast Asia, Barangay 3, here is Singapore.
Meet Jomar, a 24-year-old born and raised in Bacolod City. He grew up with charcoal smoke in his hair, zapping, and street parade beats in his feet, and kita aita on his lips. But like many Ilonggos, he boards a tour flight to Singapore for work, seeking better pay, sharper skills, and a faster life. In Singapore, Jomar's world changes tempo. He learns the Lion City dance. At first, he misses Bacolod's slow swing, the wide smiles, the grill smoke that means home. But then something clicks. Singapore's discipline and Bacolod's wine. He learns basic Mali dance moves at his workplace, and he realizes dance isn't just steps. It's how people say, I see you. So Jomar does what Bacoloders do best. He invites. Now Jomar becomes the bridge. He tells his Singapore friends, you taught me a rhythm. Now let me share mine. Come to Bacolod, taste the world's most famous chicken in the south, while the whole city dances for you. Singapore, you welcome me with kanla. Naguba, let me welcome you with namin. Kita ay ta sa Bacolod. Welcome to Bacolod Chicken in the South Festival 2026.
Hello, we would like to visit Bacolod City and try the famous chicken in the south. Welcome to the city of smiles.
Barangay 3 representing Singapore. Palakpakan natin po natin. How do they say thank you in Singapore? Thanks la. Thanks la. Thanks to uncle. Thank you. Thank you. Making ka mga jolly. Alright, thank you. Alright, Singapore right there, Barangay 3. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call the choreographer of Barangay 3. Yan ang choreographer sa Barangay 3. Okay, ari si Sir Rodan. Kami, Uncle. I can ask you a question. What's your name?
I'm RR.
RR. Okay. What's the biggest challenge in terms of preparing for your performance this evening?
Actually, we are not familiar din sa Singapore, no? And very, game kami familiar kami kung paano siya i-connect ang famous nga chicken inasal dito sa Bacolod. So, sa akong nga team, nag-create kami, nagkulang kami ideas. And then, ang ito nag-come up namon, which is a young person nga nag-work sa Singapore, and then damo siya friend, gindarin sa Bacolod to change our culture and also ang aton kung ano ang ginatawag at chicken inasal, the taste and flavor sa aton nga syudad as a home, as a Filipino. Kamalaglag siya.
Wala iya mo support. And I thank you. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Barangay 3 right there. Let's get the ball rolling on to our next performers for this evening, this time showing us a peek into Cambodia. Ladies and gentlemen, here is Barangay Sumag.
Cambodia, Philippines cultural friendship. The friendship between Cambodia and the Philippines is deep-rooted, spanning centuries of shared history, trade, artistic exchange, and warm people-to-people bonds, strengthened further as close as ASEAN partners. Long before colonization, both nations traded goods like beads, ceramics, and textiles across Southeast Asia, with clear cultural and technological exchanges. Both cultures value family, hospitality, respect for elders, and community spirit. Many traditions, festivals, and social customs show striking parallels. Cross influences in melody, rhythm, and performance styles remain visible today. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Cambodia and Philippines cultural friendship.
right, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Barangay Sumag, representing Cambodia. Alright. Ito ayoko marunong ni Ana. Or sige, pati ako pwede. Ako galing na ulat nila. Makatumak, tapos punta sila ni Ana. Hindi ko na pati nito, Grego. Mainit ulo nila sa akin. Okay, sige, bye. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause right there. Barangay Sumag, Cambodia. May we call the choreographer of Barangay Sumag to join us here in front? Sir, ikaw. Okay, ladies and what's your name, sir?
Good evening, everyone. I'm JR of Barangay Sumag.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, I think Cambodia is one of the less explored, less nga ginalagawan sa mga Pinoy. How hard was it on a scale of 1 to 10 para mag-research sa inyong concept sa performance nyo?
Should it be 1 ang pinaka-less or pinaka-hard, 10 hardest? Actually, 10 hardest. For the information of everybody, Cambodia, hindi kami actually sure what Cambodia really is since wala kami ito nakakato. But then, we are trying to embrace, that's why we had decided to do the form of Cambodia and Philippines cultural friendship.
Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, Barangay Sumag, Cambodia. Alright, from one, I would say, less explored country to another. This time, to show us Timor-Leste. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Barangay Granada.
The Chicken Inasal Festival of Bacolod City is a vibrant celebration of Negrense identity, showcasing how food reflects history, community, and tradition. At the heart of the festival is Chicken Inasal, a dish marinated in local spices, calamansi, and annatto oil, then grilled over open flames. More than just a meal, Inasal represents resilience and creativity shaped by Bacolod's agricultural roots. Through street dance, cooking competitions, and shared meal, the festival preserves Filipino culinary heritage while strengthening community pride and cultural continuity. Over time, Chicken Inasal has crossed borders and gained recognition in the local and global cultural scene. Bacolod's signature dish became famous through overseas Filipinos, cultural exchanges, and food tourism, turning it into a symbol of Filipino warmth and hospitality. In Timor-Leste, where food culture also centers on communal dining, Chicken Inasal found a familiar yet exciting place. The similarity in value sharing, togetherness, and respect for tradition helped the dish resonate beyond the Philippines, allowing it to become part of cultural conversation and celebration shared between nations. This cultural exchange is reflected in the story of two best friends, Miguel from Bacolod and Sofia, who stayed in Timor-Leste, separated by distance but united by friendship. Miguel would often talk about Chicken Inasal Festival and send Sofia recipes and stories from home. Years later, when Miguel visited Timor-Leste, they cooked Chicken Inasal together for the local community. The aroma drew curious neighbors, and soon the dish became a favorite at small gatherings. Through their friendship, Chicken Inasal was introduced not just as food, but as a story of culture, memory, and unity. Proof that traditions grow stronger when shared across borders. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Barangay Granada representing Timor-Leste!
Hello?
Friend, kamusta ka?
Ay, friend, this is ako nursaran. Baw, galuto ko gali ako.
Hello, friend! Gusto ko na kapuli! Oh, may vlog sa Bacolod Inasal.
Baw, hindi magkabala ka, friend. Ako bala si ng anak sa manamit niya nisal sa Bacolod.
Kanamit namin bigyan.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Barangay Granada, Timor-Leste. Amo mo ko na magkaon, Inasal. Ano ba feel na feeling pala? Napalakpakan natin ang ating mga performers from Barangay Granada. You know, I read from somewhere that Timor-Leste is a relatively young country, no? And I think I've also read na they don't really have an identity in terms of food. So incorporating the chicken inasal, I think, is a really good concept. Let me call the choreographer, no? Ikaw giba ng choreographer or hindi? Base nag-represent ka lang, ha? Sige, pakuno-kuno lang ta. Pero tao, di ka choreographer. Hindi mo kurog, no? Isurya lang kita kakuro, kitang kamot mo. Di nang inyong choreographer. Ang choreographer, lagi mo, plus 20 points, di bala? Basta namin answer mo, de. Plus 20 points, okay. Ari na lang ang pamangkot. Anong kahinabtanan mo sa Barangay Granada?
That's sir, kasang barangay ko na sa Mascara and nag-help ko sa grupo ko kay, syempre, ng Labor of Love, palangga ko ang grupo.
Amo niya yung sakto nga pamangkot. Okay, ari ang isa ka pamangkot. If you work, I think it's so hard, no? I'm sure, kasi involved ka, no? Budlay, mag-research sa Timor-Leste. Pero, kung tagaan ka tsansa, malain nga pungsod ang inyong nga i-representar. Ano nga pungsod sa Southeast Asia ang imo nga option?
Para sa amon garo ang Thailand.
Nga Thailand.
Kay may ang amon choreographer naka-travel na from to Thailand. So may background na so kabalo ng amon choreographers kung ano ang culture din sa Thailand.
Correct. Tsakto man. No? Thank you. Alright, once again, palakpakan natin, no? Isa sa mga staff sa Barangay Granada. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's get to our next one. Let's welcome Barangay Estefania showing us Brunei. Alright, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Barangay Estefania, Brunei.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. On behalf of the entire crew, thank you for being with us. And we do hope to see you again soon.
chicken inasal. Ay, sige, Inday. Upload ko sa imo sa lokasyon para makatunayan ko sa mga lokal na chicken inasal.
Pwede na namin sa chicken inasal sa Bacolod.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, Barangay Estefania Brunei. Okay. Diba? Basta mga kaya gani si Madam, umiti lang chicken inasal para magmayo ang modya. Alright, would like to request the choreographer of Barangay Estefania to join us here in front. Brunei, choreographer, please join us here. Okay, ay, si Madam gali, ang choreographer. Tingala ko man. Madam! Dali, si Madam. Okay, what's your name?
Elijah.
Okay, so, namit kayo mga inasal?
Nami? Bruso.
Sa Boruso, gid? Okay. Na-obvious man sa tsura mo, Pati, Okay, so of all the things sa preparasyon ninyo, kasi sabi ako sa inyong costume, ano, ang do manok, ito lang ang ano, do bakod. Tapos everything, overall, sa performance ninyo, ano ang pinaka-nabudlayan kagid?
Ano po niya kami sa park is a pag-welcome sa Bacolod, sa Brunei. Welcome sa Brunei sa Bacolod.
Why?
Kay Luka kaka-hectic isang na party, magsabot-live dyan.
Budlay inasok, no? Sa storyline, kumbaga. Okay. If you were also, I'm gonna ask you the same thing. If you were, like, Budlay, ang research ninyo sa Brunei. If papilion ka kung anong represent mga country, for example, pakuno-kuno lang. Ano, be?
I love Brazil.
Brazil, ganyan tayo. Hindi pwede Southeast Asia lang. Kaya ikaw yung imo yan, kaya mga champion, ganyan imo. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Now, that's 5 barangays down, ladies and gentlemen. We are now down to 2. So let's not make you guys wait. Let's move on to Barangay 2. Here is Myanmar.
The enchanted Myanmar and the beautiful Philippines. 2 different countries, 2 different identities. 1 love for music, 1 love for food, 1 care for heritage, 1 prayer for all. Before Western instruments arrived, both nations developed complex musical languages around 2 bronze gongs and percussion arranged in rhythmic cycles. Traditional music in Myanmar is incredibly rhythmic, and at its heart is an array of unique drums. The center of Burmese classical music is the same way, a traditional folk orchestra dominated entirely by percussion and gongs. Instead of just keeping time, drums in Myanmar often play the main melody. Same goes with the Philippines. Myanmar Singwing and Philippines traditional tribal dance. This traditional outdoor orchestra is centered around a circular frame of tuned drum and gongs. The Philippines Kulintang, practiced primarily in the southern Mindanao region, this indigenous tradition utilizes a row of small, horizontally laid brass gongs, just like the chime gong of Myanmar. Both styles prioritize communal, interlocking rhythms, collective improvisation, sharp, quick attacks of sound that were originally used for royal court, spiritual rituals, and village festival. The costume bodice is mixed with green and gold, which represents the Myanmar flag and its rich heritage. The gong bong is the traditional formal headwear for men in Myanmar, literally translating to head wrap in Burmese. It is a crucial component of Myanmar formal attire, serving as powerful cultural symbol of dignity, respect, and ethnic identity. When it comes to Southern Asian street food, skewered with grilled chicken reigns supreme, while the Philippines has its world's famous chicken inasal, boasts its own incredible street-style grilled chicken, often referred to simply as Burmese barbecue chicken and Bacolod chicken inasal. Though both deliver an intense, smoky, charred flavor from real charcoal grilling, they use completely different flavor, but embodies a true love and care for food. Behind every beat, behind every celebration is a story of struggle, war, and violence to its people. Through passion and dedication, they manage to stand firm and prove that their colors are bold, their spirits are unbothered, and their time to fight is now. This is a showcase of music, instruments, dance, and nation's fighting spirit, the Myanmar and Philippines similarities, with the hope and prayers for Myanmar. The new Himalayas dancers from Barangay 2 would like to show a performance of friendship, care, love, and understanding. Be enchanted,
for Barangay 2, Myanmar. Oh, so colorful. Alright, so that's our second to the last performance for this evening. Alright. We'd also like, same with everything else, we'd like to invite the choreographer as well of Barangay 2 to join us here in front. Once again, no, pasalamatan natin. Iko uling. Wala sang asumayo, no? Grabe, no? Unang pinaka-less smoky Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival in a while. Ikaw na gid sir, ang choreographer. Amo ni siya ang narrator. Okay, what's your name?
John.
John? Kay Diblet John? Okay. So I know it is hard to research on Myanmar, yes?
Super.
Okay. What do you think is the most important thing about Myanmar na na-learn mo na na-incorporate mo gid sa inyong performance this evening?
It's the similarity of, we actually focuses more on the similarity of Myanmar and Philippines when it comes to music and then dances. So, sa nakita nyo, ang first part namon is the instruments, the drums, and the chime gong sa Myanmar, which is similar sa aton diri sa Philippines, and then followed by dances and all, and then a flute from Myanmar as well as same as with the Philippines, and then their love for the food as well. Myanmar and the Philippines love for food. And the story, the struggles of Myanmar, we all know nga, di ba, may natabo nga hindi man namin sa Myanmar, and we pray for them before and until now. And that same goes with the Philippines. We all know that there's a lot of things going on when it comes to government, politics, and all. So, yes, it's the same story, the same struggle, and it's one prayer for two nations.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 23, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Okay, very, very good answer right there. All right, and now, ladies and gentlemen, home stretch. Last, but definitely not the least of the 7 performances for this evening, let us finally welcome to the front, Barangay Tamob, representing Thailand. let's welcome Barangay Tangub, Thailand.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to
absolutely not the least, that was Barangay Tangub with Thailand. Thank you! Okay. Thank you. Palakpakan natin sa liwat, no? Kapukap! Ay, kanami isang representation ng Thailand. Tabi tawag ang ilang kwan na choreographer. Nan, siya ganyan namin smile sa tunga kagina. Abe? Pati na uya. Okay, what's your name?
Ivy.
You know, Thailand was the most siguro favorite tani of people, of different competitors this evening. How do you feel about being able to represent Thailand?
Happy kami nag-represent naman ng Thailand. Nagipakita naman sa inyo ang famous cultures ng Thailand, which is the lotus, the elephant, and the Muay Thai. Nang gusto na naging dala naman ang chicken inasal sa Thailand. Thank you.
On a scale of 1 to 10, bala, ay! Naglakat na siya. Okay, sige. Lagyan na lang, nasugod na ko. Pati thank you. Alright. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, 7 barangays representing different nations in the Southeast Asia. Alright, and syempre we got to see our chicken inasal being incorporated in different cultures. And we are so happy. Diba lahat? Yes, sir? Okay, alright. Before we move on to the next part of this evening's competition, we would like to invite the representatives of Mega World Upper East Bacolod. We'd like to offer you, the city and the organizers, everybody involved in this, would like to invite. We'd like to ask si Mayor Arepa, Mayor Greg, wala na si Mayor. Si Councilor na lang, Celia Flor, o si Councilor M. Ang na lang. Okay. Ma'am, pwede, maano kami we'd like to ask for your help in presenting this trophy. Also, we'd like to invite Councilors Jason Villarosa and Councilor Tati Saison. Okay. Ma'am, ikaw na lang uyan. Alright? Okay. Okay, once again, we would like to express, by presenting this trophy, we would like to express our utmost appreciation sa Mega World, for being home of the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Ari na pero may involved din sila. So we'd like to present to you the Upper East, Mega World, the Upper East. Okay. Alright, so palakpakan natin, and to show our appreciation, the Mega World Upper East for being home to the Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival 2026. Councilors, tago na lang sa inyo Okay, so, alam lang ko isa. Okay, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we take this opportunity now to also show our appreciation sa mga barangay na nag-intra sa aton nga Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition for this year. And I'm gonna read it, okay? Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Inasal City 2026 presents this certificate of participation to barangay name for Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition 2026, given this 29th to 31st of May 2026 at Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, signed Honorable Celia Matea R. Flor, Festival Co-Chairperson, Honorable Greg Gasondaya, Festival Chairperson, and Honorable Jason S. Villarosa, Festival Co-Chairperson. Let's start with Barangay 3. Any representative from Barangay 3? We'd like to request Representative. Okay. We'd like to request representatives from Barangay. Sige, ano na lang, tingog na lang. Let's start with Barangay 12. Representative, please, from Barangay 12, Barangay 3, Barangay Sumag, Barangay Granada, Barangay Estefania, Barangay 2, and Barangay Tangub. Okay, any representative, please? Please come up front. Okay. Barangay 3. Okay. Any other representatives, please, from our different barangays? Malaysia, Singapore, Cambodia, Timor-Leste, Brunei, Myanmar, and Thailand. We'd like to request for representatives from these barangays. Barangay 12. Okay, Barangay 12. Any representative from the barangays, please come up front to claim your certificate of participation. Barangay 2. To the rest of the barangays, please come up front kasi may representative ka mo dira sa wala pa naka-claim sa ilang certificate of participation. Okay, sige. Thank you, councilors. Oh. So, we'd like to invite the representatives of the 7 barangays who joined the street dance and the arena competition to please join us here on the sides. No, kayo ma-announce na kita sa winners in a few. Once again, the 7 barangays, please come to the side of our floor, no? Our arena, so we can begin announcing our winners. We're starting with the street dance, okay? But before we move on, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that you guys are curious, no, as to what are the guidelines of this competition, okay? So the guidelines are as follows. Basta ako na lang ang ibang self-explanatory na name. The competition is open to all residents of Bacolod. Siyempre, importante. A concept or theme for each contingent is left to their own interpretation of what history or story of the Inasal Festival is. Costumes and performances must depict and represent the Chicken Inasal Festival. Participating groups should have a maximum of 50 members. This includes dancers, characters, and prop men. Performance will be for 4 to 6 minutes, including entrance and exit. This includes at least 30 seconds of the Chicken Inasal Festival jingle. Time starts the first audible sound or first movement. Each participant will be using the official Inasal Festival jingle, which can be combined with or edited with their own music or choice of music. Each team will be provided with a set of rollets. On the dance floor, only hand props are permitted, no riser. Sets or paddle boards are permitted. The use of powder, body oils, water, pyrotechnics, firecrackers, party poppers, and the use or killing of live animals is strictly prohibited. Removing pieces of clothing during the performance is allowed, provided it is not offensive or out of character. The order of performance shall be determined by drawing of lots. Winners will be based on a point system. The decision of the judges shall be final. Protests of any kind shall not be entertained except for errors in the mathematical computation of scores and ranks. Extraordinary circumstances. An extraordinary circumstance is an occurrence outside of the group's control that affects the group's ability to perform at the start or at any time during the routine. An extraordinary circumstance may be declared at the discretion of the head of the board of judges and is not limited to the examples listed below: incorrect music displayed or cued, music problems due to equipment malfunction. Skip ko na lang yan. The competition organizers. The head of the board of judges will review the situation and upon confirming decision and correction of the problem, and groups will be reintroduced, return to the stage, and wala naman niya, siya. So let's skip that. The organizers will not be held liable, importante for any damage or injury resulting from the mishandling and or negligence of performers in their use of costumes and props throughout the duration of the event. The organizers reserve the right to adjust the rules of the competition in any way it sees fit, disqualify any participant who violates the aforementioned guidelines. Okay, now, let's get to the criteria for judging. Under creativity, concept, and originality, thematic interpretation, relevance, true presentation of the culture and tradition, 30%. Under performance and technical skills, elements of choreography, synchronization, execution, difficulty, showmanship, and entertainment value, 30%. Costume and props, color combination, design style, and appropriate use, 30%. And overall performance, 10%, with a total score of 100%. Now, of course, like any other competition, there are deductions. Late start or failure to appear within 30 seconds, minus 5 points. Make sure everyone is present upon the announcement of the performance. Next, fall, trip, or stumble per occurrence, minor fall, minus 3 points. Major fall, minus 5 points. Next, false start, minus 3 points. That means error upon start of routine, except for technical error. Okay, for music, routine length is 4 to 6 minutes, minus 5 points for every 10 seconds. Costume, use of props beyond 4 by 8 feet and hand props, minus 10 points. Attire not intact, fall of any part of the attire, minus 3 points. Use of body oil, powders, paints, or substances that affect the dance floor, minus 5 points. Clothing or props tossed into the audience per occurrence, minus 3 points. Okay. First, we are going to announce the winners of our street dance competition. Alright, and who's gonna help us present the awards? Pwede naka-request ko rin, no? Sir Piwi, ma-invite sige, later na lang. We'll save it na lang sa arena yun, no? Okay. Now, let's start off with the third place in the street dance competition for this year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival. Third place is none other than Barangay! Thanks, no guy, fix up. Barangay Estefania! Mas mapoto op tanay with the street dance judges. Okay. Thank you. Sige, mabalik tanay. Okay. Congratulations again, no, sa ating mga winners in the street dance competition. Alright, so at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we already have our 3 big winners in this year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Competition. Okay, we'd like to invite our judges to join us here in front in presenting the prizes and the awards sa aton ng mga winners. Sir John Valencia, Sir John Mark, Tito Rudy Rebeche, and si Miss Tanya. Alright, so FYI, ladies and gentlemen, our third place will take home 10,000 pesos. Second place, 15,000 pesos. And our grand champion will take home 20,000 pesos. Check to ni sir. And of course, my consolation prize of 2,000 pesos to the rest of the barangays. And now, ladies and gentlemen, third place in this year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition. Third place is Barangay Tangog! Barangay Tangog, congratulations! You are third place and will be taking home 10,000 pesos. Barangay Tangog, bato ka na? Hindi ka mo mag-join? Yan ang mga Barangay Tangog dancers. Yes, please. Ang maka-join na Barangay Tangog, please. year's Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival Arena Dance Competition. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, we are now announcing the champion in this year's BCIN Arena Dance Competition. To take home 20,000 pesos, our champion is Barangay Granada! Sige, settle down, settle down. Diba niya, punta na yun ah. Once again, thank you so much to all our partners who make this event possible. Thank you no, sa ating Bacolod City officials. Thank you, Mega World Upper East, for being home of Bacolod Chicken Inasal Festival 2026. Thank you, Iko Uling, for this year's Less Smoky Chicken Inasal Festival. Dance and Arena Dance Competition. Congratulations once again to all the winners. And ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap for the competitions. Thank you all and good night.